In this assignment, we're talking about codominance and incomplete dominance. So codominance is the instance when an organism has a trait that is expressed dominantly by both parents. So if we're talking about a flower and it's red, it's got a red allele and it has a white allele and both are dominant, it would be expressed as both red and white. I would expect you guys to write a more complete definition here, but I'm just going to write this for now. For incomplete dominance, you would need to consider a plant that has a red allele from its father and a white allele from its mother. And the red allele this time they're not co-dominant, they're not both being expressed, but one is slightly dominant, or it's a little bit dominant over the other. It's not completely expressed, it's incompletely expressed. So if it was red incompletely dominant over white, it would be expressed as pink. Let's set up this Punnett square right here. And so we're going to set this up basically the same way. But we're going to use different letters. When we're doing normal Punnett squares, we use the same, but when we're doing incomplete and codominance, we use different letters to help us wrap our heads around this. So this is going to be red and white, red and white, red and white, red and white. So here we were looking at a cow. We were looking at a white cow and a red cow, and both were dominant. They were codominant. So therefore, both would be expressed. So if you mated a red cow with a white cow and both were dominant, you would have a 100% chance of having a roan cow or a red and white cow. So both would be expressed. Go ahead and try the next two, and then we will work on incomplete dominance down below. Here we are looking at flowers. So we're going to cross a red flower with a yellow flower. And we're going to see what is the probability that that flower will be red or yellow or other. I think we lost our Punnett square, so let me redraw that again. Here we go. It's kind of messy. And so if this is incompletely dominant, if the red is incompletely dominant over the yellow, so we have red, and again we're using different letters to help wrap our heads around this, and we have red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. We would have a 100% chance that the offspring would be other, and it would be orange. Orange is the incomplete dominant state. So if it's orange, it's 100%. Here we go. So that is it. You can see how the red was only incompletely dominant over the yellow, so it produced a different color, just like the red was incompletely dominant over the white, so it produced pink. Go ahead and try the rest of these, and we will talk about this in class.